We're kicking off day one for our August reveal, the junior box of the month. So in your junior box, you're going to get this super cute 6x6 stamp set called Farmer's Market Pumpkin. It's super cute. The images just scream fall. I love fall crafting, guys. That is my favorite, my absolute favorite theme to craft when it comes to cards. So we've got a nice vintage truck with some pumpkins in the back, a crate of pumpkins, this cute little fox popping over this little pumpkin here. We have an owl on another pumpkin. We have a pumpkin cart. We've got some great sentiments that have images kind of entwined. We've got locally grown pumpkins, farm fresh, autumn leaves and pumpkins please, harvest blessings, the gathering place where friends become family, pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes, farmer's market pumpkin. And then we've got two leaves, one's solid and one's open line, so you can color that one. So really cute. It all coordinates so well together. You're going to get pumpkin market paper pad, so you get 12 designs in here. Oh, I'm loving this first one here. Beautiful. All those little pumpkin gourds. And then a nice little plaid, a washed plaid in the beautiful fall colors. These golden leaves are so pretty. And then we've got a pie and a pumpkin with some pretty leaves in the background. Some more gourds. Really pretty. I love getting these little tiny ones in the different colors and decorating like a table or something. Love that. And then this is really pretty. Another plaid type of background in those beautiful colors. Some white and orange pumpkins. This is really pretty. I love this one. That is so pretty. And that's really cute too, the leaves falling. And then another plaid with that green going through it. And then a beautiful leaf pattern. So I absolutely love this paper. So that's Pumpkin Market. Pumpkin Market will be available for individual purchase as well as the Pumpkin Market ephemera. So let's put these two to the side. Let's check out the ephemera. So it coordinates beautifully. We got that vintage truck. There's some little scenes in here. So you can just pop those on your card, mat them with a little square, or you can even trim off the white if you want. Cute little farm scene with pumpkins, a little camera. This would be great for a little scrapbook layout or a page. Going to the little pumpkin patch. That would be really cute. Any of these images would really be cute with something like that. How cute is that fox peeking over the little pumpkin? We've got a cute girl with a jack-o'-lantern. Adorable little owl. So let me lay these all out. I'll meet you back on the other side. I'm going to speed this up for you.
Pumpkin spice and pattern sheets, crisp fall days and cozy seats. Cut and glue, then stamp some more. Crafting magic I just adore. Cider's warm and the paper's bright. Ephemera tucked in just right. Leaves are falling, oh what fun. Craft until the day is done. Pumpkins, paper.
Okay, there's all of our cute ephemera pieces. Okay, let's take a look at the beautiful fall A2 card fronts. These are so pretty. These make card making so easy. Just pop them onto an A2 card base and add a sentiment. So we've got some really pretty designs. So we've got single-sided designs. There's two of each in here, and there's a bonus image included. Isn't that girl just precious? I love that image. Beautiful bird. These images are just so pretty. A cute little girl drinking some tea. Or it's probably hot apple cider. Here's a little hot cocoa. Probably a pumpkin spice latte. Some fall mushrooms. Another cute little girl. This one's reading a book on a cozy chair. We've got some boots with some fall greenery. Then there's some script in the background. This one's really pretty. The girl looking at her planner. She's sitting at her craft desk. So pretty. And then the bonus, your bonus is on the back, so this is an extra image for you. I'm going to color up some of the images in the stamp sets. I'm going to choose the fox, the owl, the crate of pumpkins. I'm going to make a little cluster, so I'm going to do some masking. I'm going to use Memento Tuxedo Black ink. This is a Copic safe ink or an alcohol marker safe ink. Okay, that looks beautiful. So what I'm going to do is create a mask for this, put the mask on, and then we'll stamp the two. And that's going to make our images in the back. So the first one we stamp is going to be the one in the front. We're going to add a mask, and then we're going to have these two, and they're going to look like they're behind this crate.
Cozy vibes, craft and joy that always thrives. Layer tags and shaker flair. Autumn love is in the air. Die cut dreams and warm plaid tones in my crafty pumpkin zone. Foxes, mugs, and sweater stamps, fall colors glowing like little lamps. From leafy garlands to thankful cards, each one made with all my heart. Candles.
So I'm going to try and remove some of the stickiness from this. I don't need it to be too sticky, and I don't want it to stick to my paper, pull up any of the paper. So I'm just gonna get some of my skin oils on there to remove the stickiness. Okay, so let's get our little critters out. We can stamp one on each side. Since this one's going to be in the front, I want it in front. I don't want my critters to be down below, and then this is supposed to be in the front, and it's gonna look out of balance. So I wanna put this up higher. Okay, I wanna make sure their eyes are not getting covered up. So I want to see their eyes. And then I wanted to use the cute little sentiments here. I like this with the image, the gathering place where friends become family. That's kind of cute with the two animals. So I think I'll stamp this after above there. So let me move this on over a little bit. I'm going to press harder right by that mask to make sure that the ends are getting pressed in there. See, like right there, you can see where it didn't really take my ink too well. So I'm going to press right there a little bit. Okay, that's better. There we go. I've got it now. Let's see if I can get better with the little fox. You can kind of see where the ink was left. There we go. So I think this is gonna look really cute. Okay, let's do the reveal. So let's remove our mask. And I'm gonna try to not rip my mask so I could use it next time. But I don't know if I'll be able to. I'm trying not to get nail polish on my paper as well. There we go. How cool is that? Cute little scene. So I wish I would have stamped it lower so I can have more room for my sentiment. I'm going to trim this out, but I'll have my sentiment right there. So let's go ahead and get the Misty back out. All right, let's go ahead and ink this up. There we go. That looks beautiful. I love that. So I'll take some inspiration from the Pumpkin Market paper pad and do some coloring. I'm going to play some music and I'll meet you back on the other side.
Pumpkin spice and pattern sheets, crisp fall days and cozy seats. Cut and glue, then stamp some more. Crafting magic I just adore. Cider's warm and the paper's bright. Ephemera tucked in just right. Leaves are falling, oh what fun. Craft until the day is done. Pumpkins, paper, cozy vibes. Craft and joy that always thrives. Layer tags and shaker flair. Autumn love is in the air. Die cut dreams and warm plaid tones in my crafty pumpkin zone. Foxes, mugs, and sweater stamps. Fall colors glowing like little lamps. From leafy garlands to thankful cards, each one made with all my heart. Candles flickering, twines in place. The rustic charm, that paper grace. Every scrap's a little gold. A story of fall just waiting to be told. Pumpkins, paper, cozy vibes. Layered love in every stripe. Harvest hues and glitter too. Craft and fall with you know who. Apple pie and handmade bliss. Fall crafting's too sweet to miss. So grab your glue and stay a while. Let's make fall magic, not too shabby style. Pumpkin spice and pattern sheets, crisp fall days and cozy seats. Cutting glue, then stamp some more. Crafting magic I just adore. Cider's warm and the paper's bright. Ephemera tucked in just right. Leaves are falling, oh what fun. Crafting till the day is done. Pumpkins, paper, cozy vibes. Craft and joy that always thrives. Layered tags and shaker flair. Autumn love is in the air. Die cut dreams and warm play tones in my crafty pumpkin zone. Ooh, bubble go. Foxes, mugs, and sweater stamps. Fall colors glowing like little lamps. From leafy garlands to thankful cards, each one made with all my heart. Candles flickering, twines in place. That rustic charm, that paper grace. Every scrap's a little gold. just waiting to be told. Pumpkins, paper, cozy vibes, layered love in every stripe, harvest hues and glitter too, craft in fall with you know who, apple pie and handmade bliss, fall crafting's too sweet to miss. So grab your glue and stay a while, let's make fall magic, not too shabby style. Ooh, da-da-da-da.
I had to use these cute leaves from the stamp set, so I just colored it up in different fall colors, and I love the look of this. I trimmed it out, and I'm adding some foam tape so I could pop it up so they could look like they're falling over the scene, and I think that turns out really cute. I took out my glaze and I added it to the nose of the fox and to the eyes on the owl. I thought that was another little detail that is fun to add to your cards. Topped it off with the sparkling enamel dots. This is the pumpkin spice collection. Goes perfect with this paper collection. Turned out so cute. So I hope you guys are excited about the junior box of the month. I will have some spots available for subscribers. If you subscribe on August 1st, you'll be able to reserve your September box, and you're not going to want to miss that one. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time for another reveal.
And glitter too, craft in fall with you know who, apple pie and handmade bliss, fall crafting's too sweet to miss. So grab your glue and stay a while, let's make fall magic, not too